put your guns down!
No. You put your guns down. Huh?
Why don't you make me?
How about I shoot you in the face? Huh?
Not before I shoot you right in the eye.
My eye? Don't you think that's a little harsh? That could affect my vision.
It's an easy target.
So which eye? The left or the right? I'm kind of partial to my right one.
Alright, forget I said the eye, man. I'll shoot you in the forehead, in between the eyes. One shot.
Nah. You already chose the eye. It's too late to be changing your mind now.
Just put your guns down, man.
If you shoot me in the eye, I'm gonna shoot you dead in your mouth.
That's not cool, man. I'd have to go to the dentist. And I hate the dentist.
I know. And it's expensive too. Double whammy.
Jerk.
You're a jerk off.
Alright. So let's just settle this the rational way. What day is it today?
Man, I don't even know what year it is.
Okay, never mind. It's a Sunday. Let's make it a rule. No gunfire on Sundays. How about that? So it's settled. Sundays, days off. We put our guns down. I'm gonna count to 3. And we go about our business. Okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh shit! Don't kill me, man! Free pizza!
Who sent you?
Free pizza!
Pizza?
Yeah!
Free?
Free!
That's my favorite price. Ooh, mamas.
That's for making me pee my pants. I mean, no, that's for making me wet my pants. Shit, no, man! That's revenge.